In our presentation, we will explain our project step by step. Project focus on concentrated sunlight to produce clean and continuous electricity. Instead of using regular solar panels, we use mirrors to focus sunlight and a receiver that hits the molten salt. The stored heat is then used to produce steam which rotate the turbine and hence generate electricity. This method makes our project or solar power more efficient, reliable and eco-friendly. So now I would like to invite Pratisha who will explain our problems which led us to choose this topic. Thank you.
I am Pratisha and I am going to talk about the problem we face with traditional energy sources and why we need concentrated solar power. Today, most of our electricity comes from fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. These sources are limited, non-renewable and harmful to our environment because they release greenhouse gases and other pollutants. While solar energy is a great alternative, traditional solar panels have some limitations. They cannot generate power at night or during cloudy weather. They are expensive. To overcome these issues, we choose concentrated solar power, a technology that stores heat energy instead of converting sunlight directly into electricity. This stored heat can be used to generate power even after sunset, making solar energy more consistent and dependable. Now I would like to invite Sekhar to explain the component of our project. Thank you.
I am Shekhar. From now on, I will be explaining all the key components used in this project. We all use the main components in this project. Number one is concave mirrors, which is used to focus all the sun rays into a specific point. Second, receiver. Receiver is the specific point where all the sun rays are being reflected. Third, molten salt. Molten salt is used to capture all the heat in itself. Fourth, heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is used to exchange heat from molten salt to water, so the water can turn into steam and steam can rotate the turbines. Fifth is turbines, which rotate by the steam. Sixth is generator, which generate electricity from the rotating turbines. Seventh is control unit and batteries, which store electricity for our later uses. We carefully connect all these components in the project and ensure that the sunlight is essentially used, heat is conserved safely, electricity is produced continuously. This setup can also be used in the areas where sunlight is rarely available or unavailable. Now I will hand over to Vikasit, who will explain the remaining part of our project. Thank you.
I am Vikasit and I am going to explain how our concentrated solar power works. In our system, concave mirrors are used to concentrate solar light onto a receiver or focal point. The concentrated sunlight will hit a molten salt which can store solar energy for several hours. The stored heat will then transfer through a heat exchanger to convert water into high pressure steam. Then the high pressure steam is used to rotate the blades of the turbine to produce electricity, which is connected to a generator, and to transfer the electricity through the electrical transmitter to villages and towns. Since some molten salt retains heat for long time, the system can generate electricity even there is no sunlight, such as in night or cloudy conditions. This makes an excellent solution for our project to produce clean, continuous and sustainable energy. Now I will hand over to Vikasit, who will conclude our project. Thank you.
Yes, I am Vikasit and I am going to conclude our project. Through concentrated solar project, we learn how sunlight can be captured, concentrated and stored as heat to produce electricity efficiently and sustainably. Concentrated solar power system can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, lower level pollutions and support a greener and cleaner future. They are especially useful in sun-rich regions and can supply continuous power even after sunset. However, it requires large open lands and it also requires high limitation cost for setting mirror, but it is not so high than setting up solar panels. We believe that this project will play a major role in our future for renewable energy. Thank you.
In today's techno-savvy world, it was a small effort to present an idea for our greener future. Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan.
Thank you for watching this video.